Hey y'all, good morning, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. My name is Rachel and welcome back to Real Estate with Rachel. I know moving can be super stressful, so here are 10 easy steps to take moving from stressful to simple. Okay, the first thing you want to do with a stressful move is to stop and take a deep breath. Don't stress, it's not a hard thing. Sit down and plan every step. This will make your life so much easier. So now that you've calmed down and collected your thoughts, the next thing you want to do is get your moving supplies. Make sure you get more supplies than you think you'll actually need. So get extra boxes, get extra tape, markers, scissors, everything. And sometimes if you ask really nicely, you can get free boxes from your local grocery store or any store that you know is going to have a lot of boxes around. Also, check out alcohol stores for their little boxes that are separated. I'll insert a picture right here. These type of boxes, a lot of times they get in wine and glass bottles of alcohol and they just throw those boxes out, but you can get those boxes for free and you can pack up all your glassware in your kitchen. The next thing you want to do after you have your supplies is declutter your home. There's no sense in wasting energy packing up things that you haven't used in 10 years and you'll never use again. Pack up all the items that you aren't going to use and donate them to charity or have a yard sale. Or if it's not in good enough condition, just throw it away. Declutter. Okay, so when you're ready to actually start packing, I suggest that you pack one room fully before you move to the next room. Start with the room you use the least, then move on to rooms you use the most. The next thing you want to do is color code all of your boxes according to the room that it goes in. I also like to make a little checklist like this with the colors of the box and the name of where that box goes. You should give this list to all the movers and anyone that's going to be helping move the boxes. So that way there's no question of where does this box go. No one's running around trying to find you to figure out where this box goes, and you're not just putting random boxes in random rooms. So with a checklist like this, label bedroom, that'll be the green box. Label kitchen, that'll be the yellow box. So any box that either has a yellow piece of tape on it or written in yellow, you know that goes in the kitchen. Give everybody a copy of this checklist. So the next step is to roll your clothing. If you can't move them in the dresser already as is and you have to put them in boxes, I suggest that you roll your clothing so that it will take up a lot less space than the traditional folding method. You can just roll them like this and pack them in your box. So the next tip, on the day of closing, call and have all the utilities for your home put in your name. If you wait too long, sometimes the companies will charge you a fee to restart service. So just to avoid any possible fees, call and have everything put in your name the day you get your keys to your new home. Also, don't forget to forward your mail to your new address as well as update the DMV that you now have a new address. Tip number 8. Pack all your heavy books and items in your rolling suitcase instead of in a box. This can save someone's back, so pack all of the heavy items in a rolling suitcase. So tip number 9, make sure you pack the most important items last on the moving truck. These items will be items that you need for your first night in your new home. These items should include cleaning supplies, your bedding items, items for the bathroom, as well as any kitchen staples you may need for that night. And finally, number 10, after everything is packed, right before you move into your new home, the first thing you want to do is cleanse it, spiritually and physically. I personally will open up all the windows, bleach and scrub every surface of the entire home, as well as say my prayers through each room. You never know what was going on in that home or what the previous sellers were into. So I'm just saying, clean it fully, top to bottom, before you move your stuff in. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at upgraderealtor@gmail.com. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any tips and tricks for moving that I may have missed or forgotten. Have a great day.